Welcome to Nabeel Math Academy. This is Dr. Mohammed Nabeel. In this video, we are going to discuss about the simplification of a rational expression with the help of the LCD. So first of all, we start with the numbers. So here we have an equal number. If you have a fraction like this, how will you simplify? So there is a same number in the denominator, just we will take it as one time, then we will subtract simply. So therefore the answer will be equal minus 1 over 5. Now let us start with the same thing here. We will have a different denominator. How to make this one? There are two ways to solve this problem. One is using the cross multiply. If you cross multiply these two part, you will get what? 3 into 2, which is equal 6. And then after that cross multiply, what happened here? You multiply cross, you will get 3 here, plus if you multiply cross here, you will get 8. So the answer will be 11 over 6. Or at another step, we can do this same problem by solving by multiplying the LCD. So here, what is the denominator? You have 2 into 3, which is equal, the number is 6. Now I have to make this one as a same denominator. So in order to make it same denominator, I have to multiply this one with 3 and then this one with 2 in order to make the denominator same. When therefore this expression is numerator is 3 over 6 plus 4 into 2, which is 8 over here 6. Now there is a same denominator, that's why we are multiplying 3 here. That's why we multiply 2 in order to get the same denominator. After that it is the same rule like this. So how will you solve? It is 6, 3 plus 8, which is equal 11 over 6. In both the method, answer going to be your same. Now the same thing I will do it. I will follow this standard method because this is a very important method to use in the problem. So I will use this method thereafter. Now what happened here? Now the next thing here we will have 6 and 3. Here we have over 1. I want to make this one as a same denominator, that is the highest common factor is 6. So therefore I will take this part and multiply by 3. So here I have to multiply 2 in order to get 6. Here I have to multiply 6 in order to get 6 in the denominator. Now it becomes 5 over 6 plus 4 over 6 minus 6 over 6. Now here if you see all the denominator is same, so I will write it here 6. Now first term 5 plus 4 minus 6. So therefore the answer is 9 minus 6 over 6. 9 minus 6 over 6, which is equal 3 over 6, which can be simplified further. 3 one time, 3 two times, which is equal 1 over 2. So which is 1 over 2. So this is regarding the numbers. Now we will have the expression, the x rational expression. How will you solve? Now in the first case, first problem, since the denominator is same, no need to multiply anything. I directly write it as x plus 1. So just added the numerator. What is the numerator? X minus, therefore minus, which is 3. So final answer will be x minus 3 over x plus 1. So this is the final answer. Now coming to the next problem, here we will have a different denominator. In order to make it as a same, here the LCD. What is the LCD here? It is x into x plus 1. So x plus 1. Here you will have a x plus 1, but there is no x. So I multiply x in the numerator and x in the denominator. Now in the second expression, we will have x, but we don't have x plus 1. So I multiply x plus 1, x plus 1. Now this expression, the rational expression, become x over x into x plus 1 minus 3 times of x plus 1 over x into x plus 1. Now if you see, there is same denominator here, same terms in the denominator, x into x plus 1. Here you will have a x as it is But in the second term, the minus 3, I have to multiply inside. So along with the minus 3, it becomes minus 3x minus 3. So thereafter, you have to simplify. What is the simplify here? So x with the x, you will have here 1 minus 3x, which is equal minus 2x minus 3 over x into x plus 1. So this is the final answer. And the next one here, we have a three terms. So the LCD, first I have to find the LCD. LCD is x plus 1 into x plus 1. So it's the same story, we have to go around again. So I have to multiply here x and here x. And then here we have to multiply x plus 1 and here x plus 1. And since it is over 1 here, so I have to multiply both terms. So I have to multiply here x into x plus 1 in the numerator, in the denominator x plus 1. So what happened this part? It become x square over x plus 1 plus 2 times of x plus 1 over it is x into x plus 1 plus 5 times of x into x plus 1 over x into x plus 1. Now the denominator going to be the same over x into x plus 1 is the same. Now in the numerator, first term we will have x square plus second term I have to multiply this part. What is the multiplication? So here 2x plus 2. Now the last part I have to multiply again with the 5x. So what happened here? Plus 5x plus 5. Now simplify. What is the simplify here? In the denominator, it's going to be the same over x into x plus 1 is going to be the same. What about the numerator part? What about the numerator part? X square, only one term. X term, we will have 2. Therefore, it is 7x plus constant, we will have 5 plus 7, which is equal again 7. So, this is the final answer, simplified part. Now, we will have the one more problem. Yes. Then, here we will have a square in the denominator. So, how will you do this one? So, it's the same story. So, first I have to find the common denominator. What should be the common denominator? Here, we will have 1x plus 1 whole square we need in the denominator, and coming to this fraction, x plus 1 already is there. There is a new term, that is x minus 1. So this is my LCD. So this is my LCD. I have to get it this one common in the denominator. So this is x minus 1 is there. So x plus 1 whole square, but it is x plus 1 to the power 1. So I multiply here x plus 1 and here also x plus 1. In order to get the first term will be x plus 1 over x plus 1 whole square x minus 1. So if you multiply, it becomes whole square, x minus 1 will be the same. Minus. Here you will have a multiply by x minus 1 in the numerator and denominator. You will get 2 times of x minus 1 over x plus 1 whole square and x minus 1. Now if you see this one, there is a same denominator. I will take as a 1 factor here. So it is x plus 1 whole square x minus 1. For the numerator, therefore it is the first term, it is x minus 1. Now the next term, I have to multiply this minus 2 inside. So what happened? Minus 2x minus of minus, it become plus 2. Now after that, simplify. What is the simplification here? So the denominator going to be the same, x plus 1 whole square and here x minus 1. And then here we will have the x part, it is minus x, and the constant term which is 1 plus 2 which is equal 3. We cannot simplify further, leave it as it is. Now the same rule here, just it is a plus with this same thing. I have to calculate first LCD. Here you will have x plus 1 whole square. There is no new term. So highest power, this is the same term you will have. I need the denominator going to be a x plus 1 whole square. So what you will do here, nothing should be multiplied because it is already in the denominator x plus 1 whole square is there. So I write it as it is. This is over as it is x plus 1 whole square. No need to multiply. Plus here I need power 2. So in order to get the power 2, I have to multiply x plus 1 in the numerator and denominator. So you will get 2x plus 2 in the numerator over denominator is x plus 1 whole square. Now if you see there is a same denominator, therefore I can write it this one as over x plus 1 whole square. It is x plus 2x plus 2. So it becomes the x and this one is constant. Therefore here 3x plus 2 over x plus 1 whole square. So this is the final answer. Now the last problem. So here we have this one square term. First you have to break this one into the factors. So how will you factor this part? So there is, we know already how to solve this one as a factor. So this is x minus 3, x plus 2 is a factor. Now this is the same thing. The question I can write it as x over x minus 3 x plus 2. This is the second term 1 over x plus 2 and then third term 2 over x minus 3. So this is the terms you will have. Now what is the LCD? What is the LCD? First of all, I have to know the LCD. What is the LCD? The LCD is x minus 3 x plus 2. So it should be the same in the denominator. This is okay, no need to multiply because both the terms you will have it here. But here in the next term I have to multiply x minus 3 in the numerator and denominator. For the third term I have to multiply x plus 2 and x plus 2. So what happened is, so this is x over x minus 3 and x plus 2 minus x minus 3 over x plus 2 into x minus 3 minus, I multiply this one, the minus inside. Okay, we will do it directly. 2x plus 4. After that, we will multiply the minus in the next step. So now if you see this one, there is a same denominator. How will you solve? This is the same thing. So I will take one time in the denominator x minus 3, x plus 2. Now the first term is x. What about the second term? I have to multiply the minus. I have to multiply the minus. So you will get minus x plus 3. The next one I have to multiply with x plus minus. I have to multiply the minus. So you will get minus 2x minus 4. Minus 2x minus 4. Now after that simplify. This is x with the x with cancel. So we will have this part. Now simplify this one. You will get, it is in the denominator going to be the same. No change in the denominator. X minus 3 x plus 2. In the numerator x only one term. We will have minus 2x. And the constant we will have a 2 term. 3 minus 4 which is equal minus 1. So that's it. Thank you.